Mastering indefinite pronouns, making your English more fluent. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating part of English grammar, indefinite pronouns. You've probably used these without even knowing what they are, and mastering them can greatly improve your fluency and expression. Let's dive right in. Indefinite pronouns, as the name suggests, are pronouns that do not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. They're incredibly useful because they allow us to speak generally, without specifying exact details. Examples of indefinite pronouns are words like someone, anybody, everything, none, and several. They can stand alone or refer to nouns mentioned previously in the conversation. There are different types of indefinite pronouns to indicate various quantities or types of nouns. Singular indefinite pronouns include words like someone, anybody, each, either, and neither. We use these when referring to single entities or groups where the individual items are considered separately. For example, someone left their bag on the bus, or either is fine with me. Plural indefinite pronouns include several, few, both, and many. These are used when referring to multiple entities. For example, several of the apples were rotten, or many are called, but few are chosen. Pronouns that can be either singular or plural, depending on context, include all, any, more, most, and some. For example, all is well, singular, versus all the apples are ripe, plural. The key to using indefinite pronouns correctly is understanding the noun or noun phrase they're replacing or standing in for. This is because the pronoun must match the number, singular or plural, and sometimes the gender of the noun it's replacing. For example, the books are on the table. They are very interesting. Another important point is the agreement of the indefinite pronoun with the verb. Indefinite pronouns that are always singular take singular verbs. Indefinite pronouns that are always plural take plural verbs. And those that can be either singular or plural will take a singular verb when referring to a singular noun and a plural verb when referring to a plural noun. For example, every one of the cakes is delicious. Singular. Several of the cakes are delicious. Plural. All of the cake is gone. Singular. All of the cakes are gone. Plural. Mastering indefinite pronouns is a key step in becoming a more fluent English speaker, helping you express ideas more generally and efficiently. Remember, practice is crucial. The more you use these pronouns, the easier it'll be to remember which one to use in a given situation. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and as always, happy learning.